Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we disable our auto brightness mode in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to disable guys your auto brightness, so means you can disable it. And guys, now let's see how to disable auto brightness in our Realme phone. In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video, can first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, now time to start video. Can first of all open your phone setting to disable your auto brightness. Then guys, scroll it. Hence you can see display and brightness setting, fans tap here, and guess you can see automatic means auto brightness. So once you want to disable, you can disable from here. After disable guys, you can use guys your brightness setting without any problem. Guys, you can increase and decrease yourself. So guys, your auto brightness will disable in your Realme phone, and guys you cannot use your auto brightness setting. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends. And friends, you have any doubt related to guys your display and brightness setting guys, you can ask me comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends, thanks for watching.